In this video, we can see Massimiliano Gurrieri, master carver, carving a replica of a 17th century Tuscany frame. The frame has been ordered by a private Italian collector, and as we can see, the carver is using different tools and step by step is giving to the wood a very balanced Baroque shape. Occasionally, the carver uses a pencil to redraw the shape ornamentations after they've been carved to have always in mind the original shape of the frame to make. This is the first part of 3 videos showing the process of carving a very nice Baroque picture frame. In this part of the video, you see the carver finishing the ornaments which already have gotten the carving made. The procedure of finishing the frame is very long and it is used to clean all the imperfection of the wood. In most of the time, we see the carver focused on a single spot of some leaves in the central part of one of the 4 sides. It is clear that a type of manual execution as this, it needs a very long time to be made. For an expert carver as Massimiliano Gurrieri, the time required to completely carve a model frame like this is approximately a week.